Good morning, my dear students. Today, our lesson 1.1, Your Skeleton. On your student book, it is on page number 4 to 5. To start with, let's do the pre-assessment. What you're going to do? You will classify the animals with skeleton or without skeleton. Write your answer on the left side of your notebook. First, a horse. Second, a jellyfish. Third, a worm. And the last one, a frog. So you're going to classify these animals with skeleton or without skeleton. Write your answer on the left side of your notebook. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, look at this picture of human skeleton. Imagine what a human body without bones would be like. Write your thoughts on your whiteboard. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. For the learning objective of this lesson, to identify the names of different bones. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the names of different bones. On the right side of your notebook, write the success criteria and the meaning of the keywords that you can see in the glossary of your book. For the success criteria, write 1 or 2 points on what you will learn at the end of the lesson. And write the meaning of the different keywords. The keywords are skeleton, joints, and spine. Use the glossary of your student book to find the definition of the following keywords. Now, it's time for discussion. Look at these photographs of the different types of bones. What would we be like if we had no skeleton? In what ways would this affect us? Watch this video carefully. The video that you have watched, those are the different examples of the different bones inside our bodies. Now, you're going to read the information in your student book on page number 4. Let us see the different bones inside our body. What are the different names of the different bones? We have the skull, the jawbone, the shoulder blade. These are the ribs, the elbow. This is the spine or the backbone. And this is the hip bone. These are the forearm bones. The thigh bone, the kneecap, and the shin bone. So these are the different names of the different bones inside our bodies. The skull, jawbone, shoulder blade, ribs, elbow, spine or the backbone, hip bone, forearm, thigh bone, kneecap, and the shin bone. Now, you know already the names of the different bones inside our bodies. You will have distinct pair share activity. It's a pair work wherein you're going to name the bones in your body, you will show them to your partner, and say the names to your partner. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. After completing the pair work, you will have individual work. What you're going to do? Answer question number 2 in student book page 4. Write the answer in your notebook. The question is, find 3 joints on the skeleton. In what way does each joint allow you to move your body? You have 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, let us see the different examples of joints on the skeleton. Remember, joints, these are structures in the human body or animal body at which 2 parts of the skeleton are fitted together. What are the different examples? First, a knee joint. Second, elbow joint. Third, a shoulder joint. Another, a wrist joint. So these are examples of joints on the human skeleton. Knee joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, and the shoulder joint. For another activity, you will have individual work. Complete the workbook activity on page 3. What you're going to do? You're going to label the bones on the diagram using the words in the box. You're going to label the skull, hip bone, collarbone, thigh bone, ribs, shin bone, backbone, kneecap, shoulder blade, forearm, and the elbow. For number 2, add the names of any other bones that you know. You have 5 minutes to do this individual work. For the assessment, click this link and do the online activity. This is the link for the online activity. What you're going to do? You will label this human skeleton by dragging each label to the right space. So as you can see, there are the different bones of the human skeleton. So you're going to label this human skeleton by dragging each label to the right space. For your homework, you're going to scan the QR code and do the homework. This is the QR code. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a good day.